Today I'm going to show you how to set an open to work status on LinkedIn. So right at the top of your profile, you'll see this open to option over here. And then just underneath here, you'll see this show recruiters that you're open to work. You control who can see this. So if you click on get started, or if you go up to the top over here and you click on this open to, click on find a new job, and it'll open up the same window. Here you want to add in job titles that you're open to work for, location types, locations which may be on site, your start date, so you can say flexible if you are flexible or immediately, and then the employment type that you're open to if you're looking particularly for full-time, part-time, contract, internship, whatever it is, and then who can actually view this. So if you say recruiters only, it's limited to people using LinkedIn Recruiter, but if you click on the all LinkedIn members, you'll have this little badge that says open to work. Go and click on save. You now have an open to work badge on your profile picture, and you have now changed your open to work status.